Hola mga langga, magandang araw! Ito pala ang Itera BioLite Foot Massager. 3+1 core technologies. Meron siyang terahertz, experience the comforting, soothing, and invigorating effect of terahertz waves that promote an energizing experience. Meron din siyang sinusoidal energy. Sinusoidal energy invigorates and rejuvenates. Meron din siyang graphene ray. Graphene ray helps promote relaxation and relieves tension. Meron din siyang pulse electromagnetic field or PEMF. PEMF therapy uses technology to stimulate and exercise cells to help resolve cellular dysfunction and support overall wellness. Yan po ang ating Itera BioLite. Number 1, support circulation. Number 2, supports metabolic. Number 3, supports overall well-being. Number 4, supports comfort. Number 5, body contouring and age-defying. Number 6, warmth enhancing technology. Number 7, enhances vitality. Number 8, dispels cold and dampness. Yan po ang mga benefits ng ating Itera BioLite.